All right, good morning, Chris here. No fancy voiceover narration or edits. I'm just going to start talking here. So what I wanted to do was to do a video of this truck. I was going to get the floor jack out, jack this end up, take this tire off, and show you guys the rear leaf springs. And I'll save this for another video, but I'm not happy with it. It's safe, it rides straight down the road, but it's really jittery and really wallowy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tire off and I'll show you the leaf pack and ask your guys' opinion what I should do with this truck. But let me show you something that I found. I was around the front here, you know, going the back side of the truck and on the workbench, and I noticed something on the tire. Check this out. Okay, got my Big Larry flashlight here, and I'm going to show you the tire, front right tire. Look what I found. I can't make this stuff up. Look at the size of that frickin' screw, whatever the hell it is. These are brand new tires I got in February, but that sumbitch is in there. So I'm going to take this thing to discount and have them patch it. I think I got the fancy frickin' roadside service deal package with this thing. They better take care of it. They need to be rotated anyway, so. Alright, fun. Off I go. Real quick, before I go, I put the spacer underneath the strut on there for the actual lift there. It's a 1-inch spacer, which gives it actually 2 inches of lift here in the front. I'm thinking that's wrong too, and I'll get into it later when I talk about these rear leaf springs in the next video. Alright guys, have a good day, and we'll see you next time.